Whether your kitchen is big enough for an island or compact for dinner parties, for one, invest in a dining set. It's not easy to stay organized. From navigating tiny cabinets and narrow drawers to using the top of your refrigerator for storage. There's a lot to contend with when you're trying to keep your kitchen tidy and accessible. With small appliances, food and pantry items, utensils, dinnerware, cookware, and glassware. There is so much stowaway in your kitchen. Not to mention, it can be difficult to figure out how to store things like plastic food container lids. No one likes to open the cabinets to a plastic avalanche, cutting boards, baking sheets, pot tops, and more. If you would rather skip a complete makeover due to time and budget concerns, these hacks are clever ways to maximize even with a little space. Hi everyone, I hope that all my viewers will be fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always keep smiling. First of all, welcome back to my channel. I'm very thankful to you for subscribing my channel and watching my all the previous videos. So dear friends, today I am sharing you best kitchen organization ideas with you. These ideas are very gorgeous and very unique, and it's also an art class ideas. You can use these ideas to organize your kitchen, to make more space in your kitchen, and these are very helpful. So if you like these ideas, then friend, please like the video and share the video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to click the bell icon. So dear friends, you can see these ideas are very beautiful, and if you like any ideas of this, then you can pick these ideas. So if you have any suggestion about these ideas, then friend, let me know in the comment section. I am waiting for your comment, and your comments is very important for us. So good luck, take care, bye bye.